In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics for beginners. By the end, you'll know how to open Google Analytics from the main Google homepage, understand the basic sections you'll see on the left, and get comfortable with the admin area where accounts and properties are managed. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work. Make sure you're signed into your Google account in this browser so you can access your Analytics workspace without interruptions. Next, open a new tab and go to google.com. We're starting from the main Google homepage because it gives you quick access to all your Google apps in one place. Look to the top right of the page for a small grid of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click it to open a panel of Google services. This grid may show only your most used apps at first, so take a moment to scroll through the panel to reveal more options. As you scroll, find and click Google Analytics. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling within the apps panel until it appears. When you click it, you may be asked to confirm your Google account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the Google Analytics interface. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation. Home gives you a high-level snapshot of your traffic and recent insights, which is great for a quick pulse check. Reports is where you'll spend most of your time reviewing acquisition, engagement, monetization, and retention, all the essentials for understanding where users come from and what they do. Explore is a powerful area for building custom, in-depth analyses and visualizations when you want to dig deeper than the standard reports. Advertising focuses on attribution and campaign performance, helping you connect marketing efforts to results. Now, look for the admin option. It's usually a gear icon at the lower left of the interface. Click admin to open the settings workspace. Here you can create an account or a property. Think of an account as the highest container, typically representing a business or organization. A property sits inside an account and represents a specific website or app you want to measure. Clear naming, such as using your business name for the account and the site, or app name for the property, will save you time later. Within admin, you'll see account settings and property settings. Account settings control things like permissions and overall account preferences. Property settings control configuration for that specific website or app. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with both columns so you know where to adjust access, naming, and key property level options. That's it, your first guided tour of Google Analytics, from launch to layout to admin essentials.